Our solution GEZE Counter offers a low-cost and quick-to-implement solution for the automated monitoring and restriction of visitor flows. Sensors record people passing through the entrance and exit. Once the maximum is reached, the connection to the GEZE sliding door portfolio ensures that the entrance is closed. This guarantees that your guidelines are always adhered to. The maximum number of people in the shop can be set at any number. The system is available for scenarios with common and with separate entrances and exits. GEZE Counter, the customer flow control solution, is networked to the system to ensure that the system is constantly kept up to date. Using a smartphone or online, you can check the actual status and access statistics for improved predictability. GEZE Counter, intelligent customer flow control.